Number 3, an air standard Otto cycle operates at 100 F Fahrenheit, 14 psia and Rk equal to 7. The maximum temperature of the cycle is 3000 degree Fahrenheit, and determine the heat supplied per pound mass of air, the work done per pound mass of air, the cycle thermal efficiency, the maximum pressure of the cycle, and the temperature at the end of the isentropic expansion. So the given for the problem number 3 is the T1 equal to 100 degree Fahrenheit and P1 14 psia and Rk equal to 7 and T3 3000 degree Fahrenheit. Let's proceed to the solution. So this is the solution for the problem number 3. The hinahanap natin is the QA, Vnet, NE, P3, and T4. So mag-uumpisa tayo for the QA. The formula for QA is the process 2 to 3 and B equal to C, the isometric process. The formula for this one is QA equal to MCB T3 minus T2. So wala tayong QA, M, CB, and T2. Meron lang tayo is T3. So hanapin muna natin yung T2. Gagamitin natin formula is process 1 to 2 is equal to C and isentropic process. This is the T2 over T1 equal to V1 over V2 raised to K minus 1. And then the formula that we use is the T2 equal to T1 Rk raised to K minus 1. For the T2, 560 R multiplied by 7 raised to 1.4 minus 1. And the answer we get is T2 equal to 1219.628 R. So for the QA, the formula for QA is MCB T3 minus T2. The QA equal to 1 multiplied by 0.171 BTU over pound R multiplied by 3460 minus 1219.678 R. For the QA, the final answer is 383.095 BTU pound. Next is we get for the Vnet. For the Vnet, the formula is E equal to Vnet over QA. Vnet equal to 0.54084 multiplied by 383.095 BTU over pound. The answer for Vnet is 207.193 BTU over pound. After that, we get for the P3. The formula for the P3 is 2 minus 3, 2 to 3, B equal to C. The P3 equal to P2 T3 over T2. So meron tayong T3 and T2, wala tayong P2. So solve muna natin yung para sa P2. The formula for the P2 is P2 equal to P1 Rk raised to K na nakuha sa 1 to 2 is equal to C, which is P1 B1 raised to K over B2 raised to K equal to P2 B2 raised to K over B2 raised to K. So for this, P2 equal to 14 psia multiplied by 7 raised to 1.4. The answer for the P2 is 213.435 psia. So meron na tayong P2, T3, and T2. Kukunin na natin yung P3. So para sa P3, 213.435 psia multiplied by 3460 R over 1219.628 degree Rankine, and the final answer that we get for the P3 is 605.475 psia.